This is a video preview of the book John Medina's Brain Rules, where 12 principles will help you become number one in life, number one in studies, and successful at work. Are you ready? Brain rule number one is survival. Human beings, we became a dominant species not because that we were strong or we were the fastest, but we were the smartest. Our brains were the most developed. Our ability to solve problems, learn from our mistakes, creating alliances, collaboration, not just made us to survive but thrive as the number one species on this planet. Concrete advice: by understanding our evolution of our brain, we can understand our present day brain. Brain rule number two: exercise. Why is it that some people maintain the youthful energy and enthusiasm even in their old age, but some become weak and broken down? According to John Medina, the number one predictor of our mental and physical aptness depends upon the exercises we have done in the past or what we continue to do so. Concrete recommendation: exercise have got great benefits. It improves our body and also our brains. Brain rule number three is sleep. You must have all heard that sleep is needed to rest our body as well as our mind, but according to John Medina, during sleep is what our brain is working more. It is learning. It is converting all the short-term information that we've collected in the daytime. It's converting into permanent memory, and also it is clearing all the toxins out, making our brain much more healthy. So our brain doesn't sleep at all. Concrete advice: sleep patterns may vary, but however it is crucial for us to make sure that we get enough of it. So please prioritize sleep in one of your number one requirements. Brain rule number four is stress. The good news is our brain is designed to handle stress. The bad news is only for 30 seconds. Whether the saber tooth is gonna eat you or you're gonna run away, all gets decided in 30 seconds. But nowadays, many of us are going through something called as chronic stress, whether it is at work, bad bosses, or hostility at home, financial troubles, and so on. For a system built to handle short-term stress, this is serious bad news. Chronic stress is known to damage every cognitive ability of ours, whether it is solving problem quickly, difficulty in concentrating, and even remembering. Bottom line, stressed brains don't work optimally, so take good care of yourself. Rule number five: wiring. Every single brain is unique. Every single brain is wired differently. Brains are shaped on 3 E's: experiences, education, and environment. And no two people have the same education, same environment, or the same experiences. That's why every single brain is different. Concrete advice: no two brains are same, even in case of twins. So treat people individually. Rule number six: attention. Our brains have difficulty paying attention to things that do not interest us or what we find boring. However, we pay immediate attention to feelings, emotions, threats, and possible partners. Concrete advice: our brains are not capable of multitasking, so stay focused. Brain rule number seven: memory. Our brain processes memory in several steps, and one of this is uses of all our 5 senses. For example, a fun party is much more easy to remember. It has all the 5 senses. That's why we record it much more deeply. It has all the 5 senses: touch, see, smell, taste, and hear. That is auditory. But whereas a password, however simple, has got just the visual part, so we find it very hard to remember. That's why we keep forgetting our passwords. Concrete advice: improve your memory by coding it in initial moments. For example, you have met Mary in the party, and to remember her, internalize it and code it. Associate her with all the 5 senses. Mary is wearing a blue dress, and she is eating my favorite pasta, and also she is wearing a woody fragrance. The more of these associations you will make, you will remember Mary for life. Number 8: sensory integration. We observe and understand anything, any situation with the help of our 5 senses. It is converted into electrical signals and sent to our brain, to different parts, and our brain again reconstructs it and perceives it, the entire thing, as a whole. Bonus info: our brain uses our past experience to make sense of anything, any event, any situation. So two people actually get the same thing or the same event differently based on their past experience. Number 9: vision. Vision is by far one of the most dominant sense and uses at least half of our brain resources. We've been always using our vision to possibly spot any threat, search food and also mates. Our brain is the unseen power behind our vision. Our eyes see everything in the form of 2D. It is just our brain which converts this two-dimensional into a three-dimensional so that it is easy for us to understand. Concrete advice, people pay more attention to pictures and our brain remembers pictures much more better. We also have this thing in our study secret, we say that is mind loves pictures. So add more pictures to your presentation. When you're studying, when you're reading, draw more images. That way mind can remember more. Number 10. Music. Music is beneficial for our cognition abilities. It helps us improve our listening, understanding of the emotions and also in terms of language skills. Concrete advice, use music to improve your cognition and lighten your mood. A word of advice, a caution also here that certain musics can make our behaviors very jittery or make us a little violent. So select the right music which will help you improve your mind and also keep you calm. Number 11, gender. The brains of a man and a woman are biologically different. They work and understand and see things differently. The difference is found even in terms of genetics, behavior, and in fact even in terms of the shape of our brains. Bonus info. Alongside this brain rule, John Medina explores and emphasizes harmful nature and incorrect assumptions of gender biases. Brain rule number 12. Exploration. Children are the role model for the exploratory mind. They are constantly learning by these 3 E's: experiences, education and environment. Concrete advice, keep exploring, have a flexible mind, ready to learn and then unlearn. And there you have it, the book review for 12 brain rules of John Medina for surviving, thriving at school, work and home. An important note to all the viewers, this is just a book review. I strongly recommend that you read the complete book. Go down to the comment section below, give us your email ID and we'll be happy to send you a PDF copy of the book. Thank you. Please share this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.